Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to take care of jade plants step by step. Begin by placing your jade in bright, indirect light and using a gritty, well-draining soil mix. Water only when the top 1 inch of soil is dry and avoid overwatering to prevent root rot. Rotate the pot monthly for even growth and prune leggy stems to encourage a compact shape and healthy branching. Check soil moisture before watering and give your jade a deep drink until water flows from the drainage hole. Allow the top 1 inch to dry between waterings and cut back in cooler months when growth slows. Use a cactus or succulent mix, or add perlite and coarse sand to regular potting soil for better drainage. Monitor pot size and repot when roots crowd the container to keep the plant healthy. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more plant care tips and guides. Quick recommendation. After dealing with soil spills or damp pots, try Little Tree's Black Ice for a fresh, bold scent in your car or potting area. It lightens chores with a smile. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Aim for bright, indirect light with a few hours of gentle morning sun to maintain compact shape and good color. Keep your jade between 65 and 75 degrees F and protect it from cold drafts and sudden drops. Feed sparingly in spring and summer with a balanced, diluted fertilizer every 6 to 8 weeks and hold off during dormancy. Watch for signs of stress like leaf drop or soft stems and adjust care accordingly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.